Thousands of stocks trade every day. Some are moving up, some are moving down, but price alone doesn't tell you whether a stock is actually strong. So, what should you look for? Start with the business behind the stock. Look for companies showing consistent earnings and sales growth. Strong fundamentals can help you understand whether price strength is supported by business performance. Next, check relative strength. Is the stock outperforming the broader market or falling behind it? MarketSmith India's RS rating helps you compare a stock's price performance with other stocks in the market. Then look at institutional support. Tracking participation from mutual funds and other institutional investors can provide additional context about demand for the stock. Don't forget the industry group. A stock's performance should also be viewed alongside the strength or weakness of its industry. Finally, study price and volume together. They can help you understand whether a stock is showing accumulation, consolidation, or signs of selling pressure. So, don't judge a stock by price alone. Explore MarketSmith India and take a more structured approach to stock research.